Have you ever wondered how your thoughts and emotions can influence your physical health? This is the enigma of the mind-body connection, a concept that suggests our mental and physical states are not separate entities, but rather deeply interconnected. This connection plays a pivotal role in our holistic well-being, influencing everything from our physical health to our emotional stability. Modern science, in its relentless quest for understanding, has begun to unravel the intricate tapestry of this connection. Various scientific studies have highlighted how our mental state can significantly impact our physical health. For instance, chronic stress, a mental condition, can lead to physical ailments like heart disease. On the flip side, physical exercise can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, demonstrating the profound interplay between our minds and bodies. Indeed, the mind and body are not separate entities, but deeply intertwined aspects of our existence. It's a fascinating journey of discovery, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface. Imagine if you could harness the power of your mind to improve your health. This is where the practice of meditation comes into play. Meditation is an age-old practice, but it's not just about crossing your legs and closing your eyes. It's a tool, a key if you will, that unlocks the door to mindfulness and awareness. When we meditate, we are not trying to control our thoughts, but rather we are learning to let them pass without judgment. This cultivates an inner calm, a sense of balance that transcends the meditation session and permeates our daily lives. But that's not all. The benefits of meditation go beyond the metaphysical. It's a practice backed by science, especially when we dive into the realm of our brain, the command center of our body. When we meditate, we're not just sitting still, we're actively changing the landscape of our minds. Let's talk about stress, a common visitor in our lives. It's like an uninvited guest who overstays its welcome. As we meditate, we invite our bodies to switch from the stress-inducing fight or flight response to the restful rest and digest state. This helps in reducing stress hormones, promoting relaxation, and paving the way for improved mental well-being. And it doesn't stop there. Regular meditation also leads to enhanced cognitive function. It's like a gym workout for your brain. With consistent practice, meditation can increase attention span, improve memory, and foster clearer thinking. It's not about becoming a different person, a new person, or even a better person. It's about training in awareness and learning to understand and love yourself. We often say that our minds are full, cluttered with thoughts, worries, and to-dos. Meditation helps in decluttering this mental space, creating room for peace, clarity, and creativity. It's about tapping into a state of flow, where we are completely absorbed in the moment, free from distractions. Meditation, therefore, is more than a practice. It's a journey towards self-awareness and balanced health. Mindfulness isn't just about sitting quietly and meditating, it's about living in the present moment. A simple but profound realization that can transform your daily life. Imagine eating a meal, not just for sustenance, but as a mindful act. Savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors, textures, and aromas. This is mindful eating, a practice that encourages presence and gratitude. How about turning your daily walk into a mindful journey? Instead of rushing to your destination, immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the ground beneath your feet, notice the breeze on your skin, the sounds around you. This is mindful walking, an exercise in awareness and appreciation. And let's not forget mindful breathing, a practice as simple as it sounds. Focus on your breath, its rhythm, its journey in and out of your body. It's a reminder of life's most fundamental process, an anchor to the present moment. With mindfulness, every action becomes an opportunity to nurture the mind-body connection. Life is often filled with stress and emotional turbulence, but what if we could navigate these challenges more effectively? Enter mindfulness and meditation. These practices invite us to slow down, observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, and cultivate an inner sense of tranquility. Studies suggest that by practicing mindfulness, we can reduce stress and anxiety, leading to improved emotional well-being. Imagine a storm at sea. Now picture the same storm from beneath the water's surface. Above, the waves might be crashing, but deep below, there's a quiet calm. That's the power of mindfulness. It doesn't prevent life's storms, but it equips us to find calm amidst the chaos. Consider the experiences of countless individuals who've embraced mindfulness. They speak of feeling less overwhelmed by life's ups and downs and more capable of managing stress. As we see, mindfulness can be a powerful ally in our journey towards emotional resilience. The benefits of mindfulness extend beyond the mind and deeply influence our physical health. As we cultivate a heightened sense of self-awareness through mindfulness practices, we harness the power to transform not only our mental state, but also our physical well-being. Scientific studies have revealed that mindfulness can lead to improved immune function. By reducing stress and anxiety, we allow our immune system to operate more efficiently, fortifying our defenses against illness. But the benefits don't stop there. Mindfulness also contributes to overall physiological balance. It helps regulate our heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and even improves our sleep. All vital elements in maintaining a healthy body. So, as we journey deeper into the world of mindfulness, remember that its power resonates beyond the confines of the mind. It's not just about achieving mental equilibrium, but also about nurturing our physical health. Indeed, a mindful mind is a stepping stone to a healthier body. Now, let's experience the power of meditation firsthand. As we dive into this guided meditation session, I encourage you to find a comfortable position. You might choose to sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down on a soft mat. The goal is to be comfortable and relaxed, yet alert and present. Once you've settled in, take a moment to close your eyes gently. Notice the darkness that envelops you, inviting you into a serene space of introspection and calm. Observe the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, and the subtle sensation of air passing through your nostrils. Now, let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. Exhale, releasing any tension or stress that you might be holding on to. Inhale, inviting peace and tranquility into your mind and body. Exhale, letting go of any lingering thoughts or worries. One more time, inhale deeply, and exhale, surrendering fully to the present moment. In this state of heightened awareness, allow your attention to rest gently on your breath. You might notice how your body feels lighter as you exhale, like a leaf gently floating down a stream. You might observe a sense of calm spreading through your body, like a soft blanket of tranquility. If your mind begins to wander, and it likely will, that's perfectly okay. The practice of meditation is not about emptying the mind, but rather about noticing when the mind wanders and gently bringing it back to the breath. Each time you do this, you're strengthening your mental muscles just as you would in a physical workout. Continue to breathe, continue to be present, and continue to cultivate this mindful awareness. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. The journey is yours, and every moment spent in mindful awareness is a step towards a healthier, more balanced mind-body connection. As you can see, meditation is an accessible tool for everyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. As we've explored today, the mind-body connection is a powerful force in our lives. This intricate, unseen link between our mental and physical selves shapes our overall health and well-being in myriad ways. From the tranquility found in meditation to the heightened awareness cultivated through mindfulness, these practices are transformative tools helping us navigate life's ebb and flow. The benefits are multifold, encompassing stress reduction, enhanced cognitive function, and even improved immune response. By integrating these practices into our daily routines, we can foster a deeper understanding of ourselves, while also improving our physical health and emotional resilience. The journey to a harmonious mind-body relationship isn't a sprint. It's a marathon, one that requires patience, commitment, and self-love. I encourage each one of you to explore these practices further. Embrace the power of the mind-body connection and let it guide you towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. Remember, the path to wellness begins with understanding and nurturing the profound relationship between your mind and body. Until next time, stay mindful and stay well.